Hi, Maria. I'm just taking a look at the rubric for this assessment, and we'll just look at it and how it compares to your responses. So the first thing encourages conversation and shows interest by responding to at least two classmates in the online forum. So that's a really important part. So remember, this is a speaking assessment. And so we're practicing sharing information and interacting with others. So you want to make sure that you respond to at least two people in the forum. Um, Indicates when something is not understood by asking questions to clarify. So that's either you could ask a question about something you didn't understand in the movie, or you could clarify another student's response, maybe something that they have said that you're not sure of. Again, it's part of this competency, sharing information and interacting with others. Express opinions and feelings about the film. I think that's where you really excel. You're good at expressing your ideas, and I think you understand the content very well. One area that you need to work on is your structure, and the fluency is also your strong point. So anyways, you'll get to have a look at this when I'm finished writing them all out. So let's go look at your answers. Sorry, this is another student. So Maria, okay. So the significance of this journey, she wants to return to her uncle's ancestral home and take her ashes and scatter. Okay, let's prepositions. We're working on that this week. So, and scatter them along the way. So preposition of movement along. Also, don't forget the verb, she is looking preposition, to participate in the community's committee against the oil tankers. Here's a spelling error. Do you feel she accomplished what she intended to do? Yes, I think about that. I think you don't need about, so no preposition there. I think that she is very self-confident. So here, the word form, you need the adjective form. And young, I feel, you don't need am, I feel that she is very persistent. And although it isn't easy, I think that she can do it. So you don't need would there. Again, though your answer, the content is good, she's self-confident and young and persistent, and that was good vocabulary choice, and it also showed that you understood the themes in the movie. Did the movie convince you that these issues are important? Yes, of course. I've been an advocate of nature and animals. Good for use of present perfect. I'm completely convinced that all the catastrophes that have occurred over time have been a cause of bad human habits. Good sentence. If people continue to pollute, they will end up with the water of the planet. This is the part I'm not clear on. They will end up with the water of the planet, and with this, life ends. So maybe you're trying to say without water, because obviously with polluted water, life will end. So maybe just reword that. And here, your pronoun they, we need to know who you're talking about. Even though you've said people, you still need to say it again, because it's not clear who they is, okay? But again, you've got the concepts and the ideas. Life became only life. I think what you want to say here is life has become only about consumerism. So let's take the noun form, consumerism, or we are living in a consumer society, and that makes me very sad. So yes, you've expressed your feelings clearly and well here. This part, I'm not sure if that's in your own words. This part, great, you would like to go to the Caribbean. That would be amazing. Okay, so I will be filling out your assessment rubric, so you can look for that. In the meantime, please make your corrections. Thank you.